Hey there, how can you update your Kajabi website when it's already live? And how can you install new templates on your Kajabi website without your customers seeing it before you're all finished? I get this question a lot of times. People say, hey, if I upload your templates to my Kajabi website, how do we do this? And do I need to redo all my website? Do I need to redo my pages, my products and everything? And relax, it's not needed. You can install a template and then completely customize it, completely redo it, and just when you're ready to make it live, to put it on active, you do it. In this video, I like to show you how you can do this with your product templates, with your website template, and with your landing page template. So there are actually 3 templates in Kajabi. And these are the templates you can play with. So how do you update your Kajabi website template? Well, if you go to your Kajabi account and you go to your website and you click here, then it actually opens your website design page. And here I need to move myself one more time. Here you can select new templates for your Kajabi website. There's a template store. You can click on it and you will see there are multiple templates you can choose from. But let me say you one thing about these templates. No matter which template you choose, they are actually all the same. It's just the layout that has been changed. So there's a layout that's called Carl, and there's a layout that's called Rise, there's a layout that's called Kim. And see them as a code. It's a blue code or a red code or a green code, and you could put a code on, but actually it's all a code. It's the same code, but just with different colors. So if you start with Carl and you are really keen in changing the template, you can completely redesign Carl to the Kim template. And if you start with the Kim template, you can completely redesign it to a Reach template. They are all just the same template. So you just choose the template that you think, okay, this will fit with my business, and then you start working on it. No matter which template you have chosen, you can always bring it to a different style. There's one important thing to say. If you choose a template and later on you go back to the template store and you choose another template, then all your customizations from the first template will not be taken to the next template. So if you have chosen one of those templates, just stick with it and continue working on it, because it doesn't matter. It's just the same template. For me, I always start with the streamlined home template. And why do I do this? Because I don't like it to be fixed in someone else's IDs. I don't want to have the colors from the Emilia style, the Serenity style, when we are working on a different template. So when I choose streamlined home, it's clean, it's boring, it's ugly, and this is very good because now I can bring in my own styling and my own customizations. So when you're here, choose your template. Let's take Emilia. You can add it to your saved templates. And what Kajabi does now is that it makes a copy from this template and puts it in your template list. Let me just small me a little bit and put me there. So this is the template we're using. I'm going to talk about this template later, but here you have the saved templates. And what you see on the left top, here's Emilia. It's just created less than 1 minute ago. And when it's here, you can set it to live. And when it's live, it will be on top of your Kajabi website and everybody can see it. But as long as it's here in the list of the saved templates, nobody can see it. And now you can customize it, and you can click on the painter's palette, or you can select customize or press the 3 dots, and you can not customize, but you can set to live. You need this little icon that's like the painter's palette, and select customize. Now you come in an editor, the Kajabi editor, and you can style all the pages. You see this, the Emilia template. Do your thing, completely restyle your template. On top of the screen you'll find home, and below home, it's a drop down menu, you'll find all the templates, all the pages that are in this website template. So now you can go to your blog template in the Emilia style and also redesign this Emilia styled blog post. And you see the images from my demo blog, so they are already filled with some blogs. But let me just take a few more pages like the blog post. This is the blog post from the Emilia template, and you see the font and their style, call to action, the colors, they are all there. And if you change them, they will be only stored to the Emilia template we've uploaded. So finish, walk just through all those pages, finish them and save the template. And then you can go back to your settings. And when you're all done and you think, okay, now it's the time to set it live, to put it live, you click the button, set it to live. Kajabi is asking one more time, do I set it to live? Yes, I'll do. And now I think, oh my God, what is really the moment to do so? Because now the whole world can see it. When you go to my website like this and you click to the page, you'll see there's a complete new template. It's redone with a new template. When you thought this was not the best idea to do it now, you will find your last template here on the left top part of your saved template. So now you can just go to your last template and set this one to live. Click one more time and it will just replace your old template. So nothing happened. It was just a few seconds there. You're back in your old template and you can continue customizing your template. So this is how you use the templates Kajabi already created. And what I said, all the templates you'll find in the template store. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. There are 11 templates. All these templates, they're all based on the same layout. So choose your page, start working. And in the beginning you can choose one and or select multiple of them and then start working. But when you really chose your template and create all the customization, done the customization, added new features and new images, then stay with the template, because it doesn't matter to switch anymore. It's now your template. So let's head back to design and let's head back to this setup. What you see on top here is Kajabi Papers. Kajabi Papers is not a template you will find in the Kajabi store, because it's not a Kajabi default template. It's a custom-made template. I created this template, and it's a template to add extra functionality to Kajabi. And with Kajabi Papers, you can add paid blog content to your website. Let me just show you a few things. So we go to the website, and let's go to the blog. You have a featured blog on top. This is a different, completely different layout from a blog style. It's way more like magazines and like newspapers have. And you have a premium content, and premium content is paid content that people only can see when they are logged in, when they are a paying member from your blog. So you have a paid blog option, and that's not possible with the Kajabi template. So here you need another one's template. You need a third party template. There are more third party templates. Most of them are just a remake of the colors, as we discussed with the Kajabi store, template store. You can also buy templates online that are already styled in an Amy Porterfield style or in an Marie Forleo style. When you want to install such a template, you can do this on this page too, and you'll find here a little spot, and it's called Upload Template. And when you click on it, there's the upload panel, and now you can drag the template you downloaded somewhere and add it to your website. Kajabi will upload the template, and it will save the template to your saved templates below your actual active template. So let's wait a few seconds, and now you'll see Here's a new template. It's still calculating. It was created less than 1 minute ago. This is the newest template I've just uploaded. So if you have an external template, you can upload it, and now you can go back to the customization option and restyle this template to your likings. So this is how you work with the Kajabi website template. When you go to the products just work a little bit different. There are 3 templates in Kajabi: the website, the landing page, and the product template. And when you go to product templates, and let's just select one of our products here, you start with the product outline, and these are the lessons that are in your product. And when you're using a product template, an external template, or one of the default templates, they don't affect your course outline. So what you have done here with the modules and the lessons in the modules, they will stay. They will just stay there. They don't change. This is, again, think about the code. Your course is your body, and the template is the code you put on. And you can change that code, you can modify it, you can color it, you can paint it, and when it's finished, you just put on a new code. So when we go to courses and you select the course you want to restyle, you will start with the outline, and this outline will not change when you restyle the template. When you want to restyle the template, you need to go to customize. And when you click customize, you will see the active template that's currently on top of your course. So this is currently the code from your course. And here you will find a button, install templates and installed templates. So it's named a little bit different from the website templates, where it was called the template store and save templates. It could have been better that here was also template store, save templates. It would make sense. Well, if you go to install template, you will have the option to select one of the 7 default templates that are there. And everybody starts with the Premier template. This is just the default template. When you start a new course, it will be the Premier template. And Kajabi made a second default template. It's called Momentum. The difference between Premier and Momentum is the sidebar you see here on the left side, where my mouse is hovering. And that's something for taste. Do you want to have a sidebar with all the options and the lesson in it, or do you want to have the lessons just on top of your screen? You need to play with it. Just select one of each other. But if you do and you want to add some kind of gamification, you can also select the Gamify Lite or the Gamify Lite with sidebar. These 2 templates are my template, and they are in your Kajabi account already. So you can choose these templates and use them for free. You can use badges in your template in your Kajabi website for free. If you like the Premier template, then select Gamify Lite, because it's the same template with badge functionality. If you prefer the Momentum template, you can select the Gamify Lite template with sidebar, because it's the same template with badge functionality. So the Gamify Lite is based on Premier. Gamify Lite with sidebar is based on Momentum. They are just the same templates with extra functionality. So I would say start with one of these templates, because you have more options than those. Okay, then you have Sunset. Sunset is also third party, created by Penny Clemens from Penny in Your Pockets. A wonderful template, completely different style. If you like this style, select this template. And there are 2 more templates, Creative and Prosper. Creative and Prosper aren't really new templates. They don't add functionality. They are the same template as Premiere, but with a different style. See them as the styling of the code. This is the green code, the red code, the blue code, but it's all the same code. They don't have extra functionality. If you want to change your template, and we all start with the Premiere template, just select the one you want to have. For example, we can choose the Gamified Lite template, and you can do a preview from how your course would look like. And you see it's the templates here, and there's badge functionality already. This is just a preview. It doesn't do anything, and now you think, what do I need to do? Well, close the window. That's what you need to do. And there's a blue line here, and when you have selected the blue line around the template you like, then you can scroll all the way down and install the template. Let's do this, because when Kajabi installs this template, it's calculating and it's doing all the things it needs to do to put this template on your account. So we have installed the template, and what do we see? Nothing. It looks like nothing has happened, but actually there has something happened. It's here below installed templates. You need to click this little triangle and it will fold open, and then you'll see the Gamify Lite template here. You'll see there's a customize option, so click on it and you can customize the new template, the newest template you've just uploaded. Customize the home page, go to the top, go to product, and customize all the other pages in this template. The post templates are the lessons, and a product is the home page, but you also want to customize the category, comment sections, just to make it in your style. There are not that many styling options, so you can do it pretty fast. Most of the time we'll just bring your home page, your product, your post page to your styling. So when you have done this and it's all there, you can press the three dots and now activate this template. And just when after you have activated the template, it will be on top of your current course. So before that, you can completely restyle it. If you don't like it, you can also delete the template and start all over. When you install a third-party template that you bought online, some template from Penny or one of mine, then you go also to install template, and you need to scroll down, and here you have another block, and it's called upload template. Press this one and you can go to your device, or you can drag the downloaded file to your screen. And if you go to your device, and let's install the Premiere Pro template. So you open the template, drag it to your screen, or you open it here, and Kajabi will install this template. So it's working again, installing the new template, waking up the hamsters, robot noises, bleep, blah, bloop. And there it is, but it's not on your screen. You need to click the little triangle and open this panel, and there you find the newly installed template. And here you can customize it. Let me do this. Okay, this customization. For example, I want 6 batches in this course, and I want to have them on top, just there. Let me back, and I want a few of the batches hidden. And your customers don't see, or your students don't see, what is changing currently. So here, and let me save the page. I want to go to this section, text section, delete this block. I don't need this block, and I want the category to be shown as posts. And let's save this page. Preview this course. Okay, so we have the batches here on top, and we have the lessons here. If we go back to the customization, and let's go back to the original template and select a preview from this template. This is where we started. It's the course with the lessons here, and this is your main part, the lessons from your course. And when we go to the new styled template, this is the new style template, the batches can be on top, and here are your lessons. The rest is just layout. It's just a changed layout, but your lessons remain here. So you don't need to do anything about your lessons. It's just about selecting a new code for your template. The third template I like to talk about are the landing page templates, and these work a little bit different. When you go to your website and go to pages, you'll first find the website template. It's here. These are all the website templates we discussed when we're talking about design. It's the same template, so it's maybe a little bit confusing what you're looking at, but these templates are the same templates as we saw at design when we customized the template. But if you want to go to landing pages and you have unlimited landing pages, you need to go to the second tab here, and it's called landing. And here you will find landing pages in Kajabi. Well, a landing page can be anything. So you can add a new landing page, press the plus button, and you will have a landing page wizard currently. You can start from scratch, but you can also select one of the many templates that are already created. And what you see here, there are sales pages. There are actually over 14 sales pages. You have podcast pages, or let me see, I'm missing maybe some parts. Link in bio, there are 4 link in bio. You can use it for your Instagram page. Thank you pages, there are 9 thank you pages you can choose to start with. There are opt-in pages, 14 of them. Well, there's a lot of templates to choose from, coming soon. And yeah, it's just a start again. And this is something also people misunderstand. A landing page is always based on the same template. So it's just one template with a different design. So if you select, let's say, evolve, and you want to restyle this page up to a grid template, that's not a problem. You can do that in, yeah, it depends how fast you can be, maybe half an hour, maybe one morning. You can redesign it to a pathway. If you start with Danke, you can go to streamlined long sales page, or you can go to flawless. It's the same template, just with a different design. Why do they have so many options to choose from? Because people like to start with a pre-made design. They like to use a template that already looks great. And I understand that, because it's much easier to start with a template that already looks great than to completely redesign your template. The difficulty is when you choose a template that is already restyled and you want to change it to something else. You need to be very creative to understand, okay, I'm fixed in the creation process from someone else, and I need to create my own my own style. So for me personally, I always start from scratch. And I used to start from scratch page to build a sales page, to build an opt-in page, to build a webinar page, because it's the same template. Well, sad enough, when you select one of these templates, Kajabi will create a new template. So you need to give it a name, and Kajabi will add a new page to your landing page list. From now on, it's just this template. You cannot choose a new template. You cannot choose to add a new design to this page. So we have chosen this template. It's here, and you can start work on it. You can changing it and restyle it to how you want to have it. And when you go back to landing, you will find the page here on top of all your other pages. If you want a new template and you thought this was not a template I wanted to use, then you select new landing page and you select a new template, and it will be here on top of this one. So you don't use this one, you put it on draft, or you say delete the page. Only delete pages you haven't updated. If they are updated, you better put them on draft, because you might lose things you didn't want to lose. After a few days you thought, oh, I did something, and then you forgot it and you deleted it and you can't find it anymore. So just delete the pages you don't use anymore. If you have an external page, you can upload it here. But there's some strange thing happening with this page. When you refresh this page and look at this button, look at where my mouse is, but when I refresh this page, come on, it takes some time before it's there. So when you're just here and you think, hey, the button is gone, and then there's the button. If you press upload, you can drag in the external template you bought somewhere or you got from someone, and you can drag it here and it will be just on top of all your pages. If you want to copy the styling from one website template to a landing page template to another landing page template. That's not possible with Kajabi. Every template is a little island inside Kajabi, and this has pros and this has cons. And I think the con is we can't copy styling from one template to another template. The pro is that if something is updating, something is changing, your template will remain the same. It will remain unaffected, and whatever happens somewhere, your template will always work, and you no longer have update stress you might have seen with WordPress. When WordPress is updating, then all the plugins need to be updated. They probably have 25 to 30 plugins, and they all need to be updated. And if one of those companies who create those plugins made a mistake, then your website is down. This will never happen with Kajabi because all the templates you use, there are single islands on your website, and they cannot be updated unless you choose to update that specific page. So if I scroll down here, probably there's some page that can be updated. Yet you see some of here, they can be updated, and I only update them if I think it's necessary. You don't need to update them. You update them because there's some new functionality that was missing before. And if you don't need that new functionality, just leave it. Just leave it as it is. You don't need to update your landing page template. Well, this is it. There was a lot of things to say. Well, this is it. We discussed a lot about the Kajabi templates and how you can install new templates, how you can update them without your customers seeing those templates at the moment. I hope you liked it. Start playing with it. Just use it. If you want one of our templates that add extra functionality to Kajabi, go to Jiffy Course Online, and here you can find our Gamify Pro templates, Gamiflix template, but also Kajabi papers I have shown you today, and templates like Timeline Funnel. If you don't have Kajabi, I think this is something I like to work with. You can use my partner link below this video and you will get a 30-day free trial for Kajabi. This is 2 times the time you can find on the Kajabi website. And if you use my partner link, I like to thank you for it, and you can choose one of our templates. You will find it on the site. You can use on your site one of our premium templates like Gamify Pro, Kajabi papers, to immediately enhance new function and bring new functionality to your Kajabi platform. So if you like gamification, this is your chance to start with it very easily. I'm Bastiaan de Koning from Jiffy Course Online. If you have any questions, let me know. And don't forget, press the button, just like, follow me, and have a great day.